Hello, I'm Simon from CareCo, and I'm going to show you how to assemble the Comfourt Seeker Symphony Rise and Recliner chair. As you can see, I've taken all the components out from the box and I've placed that to one side. We have the main chair itself and the backrest, and also the transformer which is used to power the chair. It's worth noting that due to the size and weight of the items, you may wish to ask for the help from a friend or a relative. I've placed the backrest face down on top of the main chair. This enables me to maneuver it and place it onto the back of the chair. First of all, I'm going to lift this piece of material, and I can then see the brackets on either side of the backrest and also below the brackets that are on the chair itself. I can now hold the backrest, and I'm going to lift it up and place these brackets in alignment with the ones below. Once in position and over the brackets, I'm going to bring the backrest towards me, and then I will push firmly on either side until it clicks into position. With that now in position, we can move on to connecting the wires at the rear of the chair. From this position, I may have to lift this piece of material if it's fallen down, but I can access all the electrical cables and connect them together. They're all color coded, but let's see how they go together now. With the cables now fully secured, we can place the piece of material and hold it in position with the Velcro. With the cables connected, before we connect to the power and try the chair, we just need to bring out the two stabilizing bars at the rear. They simply fold out and click into position. We can now connect the power to the transformer and plug it in at the wall. Simply lift up the latch, place it into the socket, and then click the latch back down to secure. When the transformer is plugged into the wall, you'll notice a green light which will illuminate on the transformer. To check and operate the chair, you'll find the handset is in the right hand side pocket. If the chair is plugged in and the transformer is showing the green light, you will notice that the handset is illuminated both blue and green. Before we use the chair, what I'm going to do is press the lift button and raise the chair, but also whilst it's raising, I'm going to check to ensure that none of the wires get caught on the framework. For this, it's ideal if you just place yourself at the rear, start to raise the chair, and check underneath. It is worthwhile stopping when it's raised a little bit and just double checking those wires. Once you can see it's clear, carry on and we'll lift the chair to its furthest height. With that now checked, I'm going to lower the chair and check the other functions and features. Now that we know that the wires are not going to catch on any of the framework, we can check the other functions and features of the chair itself. We'll start by checking the headrest with the top button. By pressing it to the right, the headrest should come away, and with the other side, go inwards. The next button down is the backrest, so we should be able to adjust the backrest both backwards, and then with the left-hand button towards us again and upright. The third button down is the lumbar support, which will come into your back, so you'll feel it here coming out. And then on the other side, going back in. And then the fourth button will raise and lower the footrest. As you can see, the footrest is coming out. And if I press the other side, the footrest goes back in. If for some reason one of the buttons operates a different function, so you press the headrest and the footrest starts to come out, please do check that you've wired it correctly before contacting our customer services or product support team. However, don't forget that there's two hidden features on this chair. One, you have a wireless charging section hidden within the armrest. If your phone is able to be wirelessly charged, you can simply place it in there and it will charge. And on the other side, we have this little cup or holder for placing some items in. With the chair now fully assembled and you've ensured that you've got enough room behind you to raise and lower the chair itself, it's time to sit back and relax in your chair.